Good morning, guys. Today we're going to change the second central locking motor because the first one was in my right side front door. No, it's been a fault on the right side rear door. This time I have also bought a brand new one. This one is not bought from Toyota, this one is bought from AliExpress. And it cost 1/10 of the price. This is $25 something. And the original one in Norway cost 2,500 Norwegian kroner. It's about $250. So yeah, I don't know if it will fit, but if it will fit. But I have a good feeling. There we go. Okay. This is the same locking mechanism as it was on the front door. 3 TX27 screws. And here we go. Looks pretty similar to me. This is the one from AliExpress. This is of course the original one. I can't really see any difference on this side. And here we have the same arm, the same plug, except from this only has a 2-pin. This one has a 4-pin. Yeah. Let's take our chances. Okay, that was easy. So, that one looks to be similar. Okay, managed to open them. There are 3 latches, locks. 1 here and 2 here. So then we need to put the wire over. And here we go. That was real simple. So far so good. Okay, then everything is done. We need to assemble the door cord. Everything looks beautiful. When you have finished the job, you have to program the window lift. because it will be reset when you disconnect it from the power. So the window will go up and down, but the auto will not work. What you have to do is you have to put it all the way down, hold it for some seconds, then drive it all the way up and hold it for some seconds, then it should be okay. Yes, you see, driving it down, and now the auto. Excellent. And that's it, you're done. Happy driving. Back from the workshop, and now I want to open it to see how it looks inside, because I always like to know how things work. So let's start. Oh! Fantastic. And here there are no glue, it's only clips, which is great. But there is a lot of them. Here we have the problem. Same as with my other locking motor. It is black with soot around here inside. So this is probably the cause to the whole problem. Okay, finally managed to open it, but I think I have broke it, because I don't think it will be that easy to put these parts together and make them work again. So if you want to save yourself $20 and just change the motor, I will not recommend it on this one, because this one was a pain in the ass to open. It is doable, but still, if it costs $25, just change the whole unit and be done with it. That's it for me this time. Thanks for watching again. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.